Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about keywords in Python. So what are the keywords? So first of all, keywords are those type of words that are reserved in the Python. So you cannot use this type of words in your function name or variable name or any other identifiers. So these are basically reserved for their purpose. So Python has the 33 keywords in the Python 3.7, so they are all the case sensitive. So I have here the file here saying that this is the list of keywords. So you can see the false, class, finally. So these are the reserved word that is going to be used for the specific purpose. So you cannot use this file or this identifiers for any other purpose. So this is really important. So you can see these are the keywords. If you want to make, let me say, variable with the def, which is the keyword, and assign something value to it, it is not valid because you cannot use these keywords as your variable name. We'll see about this in the upcoming lecture in the detail, but for now you can see that keywords are the reserved word that cannot be used for any other purpose. They are basically doing only one task that is just defined specifically for their purpose. So you can see this true can be used as a boolean type only. So you cannot make variable name as true or function name as true. So all of these are your reserved word, which are normally called as keywords. So next thing is to see the statement. So let's see the statement now. Statement are basically the what we call, that is the Python interpreter execution instruction. So instruction that the Python interpreter can execute is normally called the statements. So we see the assignment statement now in this lecture. So we'll see that how multi-line statement can be assigned. So first of all, I'll just do some addition over here. 1, 2, let me say 3, let me say add more. I want to add more, but I want to go down to this line. So that means I have to make use of this backward slash and go down. After that, I can make use of 4 again, and I can make use of 5, add me 6. And if I just hit enter now, so this is your statement. So if I want to print the value of a, I'll just print a here, and it will show us a 21, which is the addition of all of this value. So if you want to make use of multi-line statement, you'll simply pass here backward slash and just complete your statement over here. So statement is simply an instruction that is going to be executed by your Python interpreter. So next thing is your Python comments. So let me say 5 add me, or let me say 5 multiply with 6. If I say this is going to give us a 30. But if I say hash first and 5 multiply with me 6, then it is going to give us nothing because this is your comment. So comments are really important. We use this hash symbol for starting to write a comment. So comment are very important while writing a program. It will describe what's going on so that a person looking at your source code does have the feeling that this code is about the task that is going to be executed. Or basically if you just put any statement starting with this hash symbol, they are comment, they won't be executed with the Python interpreter. That means this will be ignored by the Python interpreter. So let me just open my new script, and if I save this again, let me say demo.py, and py extension is important and it is right here. So let me just replace it, and now it is giving us okay. So now if we have here the demo file, so we have 2 demo file. Let me just close one. So now if I say that let me just print hello first, and let's go down here, and after that I have to just comment this out. This is print statement. If I save this and execute, then it is going to give us a hello, but not the error of this is print statement. If I just remove this hash and if I save this, and if I just execute this, it is going to show us invalid syntax, because this is a bunch of a string over here which is created, which doesn't have any meaning. So if you want to give any information about the code, or if you want to just ignore that code to be executed by the Python interpreter, you simply put here hash to represent that this is your comment, and this won't be executed by the Python interpreter. And comments are for programmer, and it is to understand about the program. It is not for the Python interpreter. It will be executed only if you just remove hash. And if you want to give information about the code, you simply put hash and put the comment about what this code is going to do. In this case, this is the print statement that is going to be printed hello in the console. So this is your single line comment. We have a multi-line comment too, so let's see about that. So multi-line is basically, if you type here, this is my comment, it is in a multi-line. That means if you just put here single hash, it is going to only comment this single line. Everything you write over here will be commented, but if you just go down here, it won't be commented. So if you want to just make a multi-line comment, all you have to do is put here multiple quotes and just close with these multiple quotes. And now if I save this and execute, this is not going to have any effect because this is a multi-line comment. And if you just remove this one and remove this, if you save this, then it is bunch of a gibberish that will show us invalid syntax. So in this lecture we saw how we can just work with the statements and how to work with the Python comments. So see you in the next one.